Zuma Zuma. Just the build with the Athena. Nothing special, but you know, that's the Yasuni. Little Rev sample. Revs up okay. But yeah, about 8,000 clutch engagement here, and yeah, man, nice. It's revving up good. Try to get a video of a ride next.